Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to unlock a padlock with a can of V8. Step 1. Go at the market to buy a padlock, a can and some scissors.
Step 2. You get a can. After, for step 3, you get a can empty.
Step 4. You take the scissors. And for step 5, cut a part of it like this.
Step 6. Curve it a little bit. Step 4. Push down in the crack of the locker.
Step 8. Move it a little bit. And for the step 9, the locker will unlock. You pull out the can and for the final step, you remove the little part of the can.
Thank you guys.